Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to use my makeup. This is my mascara quad and this is my 30-second brush. I use the puffy butt end of the brush. I know the company actually tells you to use the other end, but I've just found that this is the best way and for me to get my highlighter on. So you just tap it into the highlighter and you put it all over. You can either do your highlighting spaces, which are under the eyes, kind of on the chin and forehead, but since I have some texture to my face and some blemishes going on, some some agey spots, I go ahead and I just put the product all over my face. For me, if I do that, the contour just sits a little bit better on top of it because I do have some texture issues. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I just kind of get it everywhere. You just want to tap it into the product. You don't put a ton on because it really, a little goes a long way with this stuff. It's cream based, so I really find it spreads really easily. So now I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to use the other end and I'm going to drag it in my contour, and then I'm just going to smear it on my face. So find your cheekbone and like push in there, and where that spongy part of your cheekbone starts, that's where you want to stop your contour. So whoa, yeah, that's a lot. And do the same thing on this side. Just kind of push for your cheekbone, and wherever the cheekbone stops, that's as far down as you're going to drag, because you want to drag all the way down to your lips, because it will actually bring your face down instead of help giving you that contoured look. Okay, so just keep putting the contour all over your face. Now I squeeze that pointy end together and I drag it in my contour, and then I just slide it down both sides of my nose to give me that line, and then I let go and don't squeeze anymore and just kind of soften that line. And don't worry, because you're going to go in with the perfector sponge and really clear all this up so that it all blends together perfectly. Okay, this is the perfector sponge. You want to get this damp, not wet. You really want to wring out a lot of the water so it's just damp. And then you just press it into your skin. I like to start on the cheeks because that's usually pretty heavy contour, so I just kind of blend that all out. And you just kind of press it into all the makeup and blend it all together. Super easy. I'm going to then use the bottom of my perfector sponge and I just dip it into the blush. I think it's Bare. I think that's the color. This is the easiest way that I've found. You just put it right on the apples of your cheeks, and then you don't get any like weird blotchy spots that sometimes you can use if you put it on with a brush or your fingers. It's the softest way I've found for application. Then I'm going to use my eyebrow brush and I'm going to just dip it right into the ash contour, and I use it to line my eyebrows, just to give them a little fattening up. And then make sure that you use that like spoolie end to kind of brush that through so it doesn't look like a stark line. You can use the little end of the brushes also to just pat it right onto blemishes. It really helps kind of hide all that. Then I use Desert Sunset. It's a lip and cheek tin that goes on my lips, and then I use I believe it's the Honey Illuminator. I put it on my cheekbones and underneath my eyebrows, and then I just put my mascara on. I'm using Epic by Unique here, I believe. Why do we do these silly faces when we put our mascara on? I mean, geez. But that's about it. Mascara. Oh, I'll probably I think I used my Cayman bronzer, the big fluffy brush, and just kind of put that on top of where I put my contour because it kind of helps set it a little bit. But that's it. Easy peasy. There you go. 5-minute makeup. Hope it helped.